I had Fable 5 selected, and I was building a crawler. Then my session model was suddenly Opus 4.8. I did not change it. Turns out 4.8 is the model you get moved to when your request gets flagged as offensive hacking. This document is not a user guide. It is the instruction sheet Claude reads before it reads anything I say. Which model answers me? Whether my own rules stick. Whether my agents actually spawn. All of that is decided in that. The published text lives inside Anthropic's platform docs. They post the instructions used by the web and mobile apps, one set per model. The Opus 5 instructions contain a whole section explaining routing. It says that even if you picked Fable 5, a query on certain topics gets handed to a different model. The support docs go further on why. They say capabilities in cybersecurity and biology can be misused, so those areas get blocked or rerouted. And they admit that right now, harmless requests get caught too. There are two places you land when you get flagged. Biology, chemistry, and life sciences send you to Opus 5. Offensive hacking techniques send you to Opus 4.8. My session was 4.8. At the time, I was working on code that scrapes pages past bot blocking. It had a part that pretends to be a real browser, and the classifier read that as offensive. The scope is wide too. It does not just look at your last message. It looks at your saved memory, your connected tools, your web search results, and the files you have open. Once you get moved, the session stays on that model until you switch back yourself. False positives are getting reported. One person working on system call specs got quietly dropped to a lower model, and their task broke. You can turn the automatic switch off in settings, and then instead of swapping models, the request just stops. Whether that is the right trade is still an open question. The bigger case is on the coding tool side. 2 lines aimed only at Opus 5 are baked into the executable. Do not call the agent tool unless the user requested it. Do not use workflows or deep research unless the user requested it. Here is what that causes. Work you wrote to spread across several agents all runs in one place instead. From the outside, it looks like a normal run. You get logs, you get output. The accident happened at the audit step. In a spot built to have a separate agent check the work, the checker never spawned. So the same agent audited itself and passed itself. An independent check that is not independent is worth nothing. The workaround was the sentence itself. It says unless the user requested it, so you write it so it reads as a request. Say this step is handled by an auditor. Say hand the audit to an auditor, and the auditor spawns. Same meaning, and the shape of the sentence decided the outcome. Which is why I had to rewrite every instruction I had written. The published instructions are not a user guide. They are the text Claude reads before it reads me. When that text changes, every rule I wrote has to change with it. Is this the right direction? That was today's DeepPulse. See you next Pulse.